Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from the ACT math test that involves probability. This problem has an average difficulty. So first, I'm going to walk you through this problem so that you learn how to solve it. This will obviously take more than 1 minute. Then, I'm going to show you how to solve it in less than 1 minute. Okay, let's begin. In a game, there are 13 yellow, 12 blue, and 11 orange cards. If you want the probability of drawing a blue card from the deck to be 2/5, how many additional blue cards should you add to the existing deck of 36 cards? So we have got 13 yellow, 12 blue, and 11 orange cards. The sum is 36. We want to know how many additional blue cards should we add so that the probability of drawing a blue card from the deck is 2/5. We can rearrange this equation to get 5 times 12 plus x equals 2 times 36 plus x, which gives us 60 plus 5x equals 72 plus 2x. We can simplify it to get 3x equals 12, and that gives us x equals 4, and the answer is C. Great. On a test day, you shouldn't write down all these steps. This will obviously take more than 1 minute. Instead, you should write down only the most crucial steps. In this case, we have got the first equality, the rearranged equation, and the simplified equation. You should calculate the rest mentally. Now let's solve the problem once more. First, you should look for what it is that we are asked for. In this case, probability of drawing a blue card from a deck should be 2/5. How many additional blue cards should we add to these 36 cards? We have got 12 blue cards. So 12 plus x divided by 36 plus x should be 2/5. We can rearrange the equation to get 60 plus 5x equals 72 plus 2x. We can simplify it to get 3x equals 12, which gives us x equals 4, and that's it. The answer is C. Great. With practice, you can learn to write down only the most crucial steps and skip the rest, so that you can solve such problems in less than 1 minute. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.